In the forest where shadows twist, I wander lost in enchanted mist. Your love echoes through the air, but I turn and you're never there. Stars above, they weep with me. Under moonlit ancient tree, all memories like ghostly wraiths haunt my dreams with faded faith. Oh love, where did you go? Left me pining in this woe, in this realm of aching sighs, haunt my dreams with faded faith. Oh, where did you go? Left me pining in this woe, in this realm of aching sighs, chasing whispers in the night. I see your face in rivers deep, in the valleys where we'd sleep. Mountains rise but can't compare to the grief that lingers there. Time it fades like fragile leaves, still your absence never leaves. In the silence of this land, I long to hold your phantom hand. Oh love, where did you go? Left me pining in this woe, in this realm of aching sight, chasing whispers in the night. Shadows where the whispers dwell, the devil's heart begins to swell. An angel's light so pure and bright, forbidden stars within my sight. Her halo burns through darkest night, my crimson dreams can shed the light. Her love so fierce yet out of reach, a lesson pain will always teach. In fires of torment I reside, for love that's lost I cannot hide. Her wings like whispers call my name, yet still my love burns in vain. Claws and feathers intertwine, a fate so cruel yet so divine. In every tear an echo falls, of her I dream within these walls. Our worlds apart like sky and hell, a secret tale we dare not tell. In shadows deep in memories, a devil's heart will never cease. In fires of torment I reside, for love that's lost I cannot hide. Her wings now my love burns in vain.
In the sky, an angel high above. She looked down and saw him, fire and coal. In her heart, the seeds of something grew, a forbidden love that took its toll. She felt like a star tearing through the night to the depths where shadows reign. In his eyes she saw a tender light, a spark of love amidst the pain. Heaven's rift where angels dare not tread, a love that burns in sorrow's bed. In his arms she found her darkest dream, an angel's tears met the devil's glee. Fallen wings and ashes all around, yet in his touch she found her grace. In her heart is where no light is found. She saw the kindness in his face. Through the flames and whispers of despair, they danced in secret places cold. She held him close with gentle care, a story of love and fire untold. In the end, a love so bittersweet, heaven's song and hell's heartbeat, an angel lost in a devil's charm. Two worlds collide within their arms. In a land where dragons weep, fairy tales and dreams we keep, moonlight casts a lonely glow. Where'd you go? I need to know. Stars, they whisper your sweet name, echoes in the gentle rain. Unicorns with teary eyes miss you more than darkened skies. Crying in this fantasy, hope you hear my heart's decree. Wishing on a magic star, wondering where you are. Misty winds that softly blow, rivers flow, feeling lost as moments go. Goblins breathe in silent night, witches cast a sorrowed light. Even in this wonderland, loneliness I can't withstand. Crying in this fantasy, hope you hear my heart's decree. Hope you hear my heart's decree. On a magic star, wondering where you are. Mystic wings that softly blow, carrying memories of our woe. Crystal tears in rivers flow, feeling lost as moments go. Goblins breathe in silent night, witches cast a sorrow light. Even in this wonderland, lonely where you are. In shadows where the whispers dwell, a devil's heart begins to swell. An angel's light so pure and bright, forbidden stars within my sight.